So welcome students. So in this question you are asked to find the domain of the function f of x is equal to 1 by root of mod x minus x. So what are the conditions where this function is defined, or what are the conditions where this function is not defined? So for this function to be defined, the simple condition is, so you have a square root in the denominator. So inside the square root the number should not be negative, and in the denominator the number should not be equal to 0. So for this function to be defined, mod x minus x has to be strictly greater than 0. Mod x minus x should be strictly greater than 0. So when will mod x be strictly greater than x? So mod x should be strictly greater than x. So if you take the graph of mod x, the graph of mod x is looking something like this. This is the graph of y is equal to mod x, right? And I'll draw the graph of y is equal to x. So y is equal to x looks like this. So it goes on this. So y is equal to x looks like this. And in the positive x, as x is greater than 0, mod x will be equal to x. Mod x will be equal to x. But I want mod x to be greater than x. So when x is greater than or equal to 0, mod x will be equal to x, right? Mod x will be equal to x. I don't want this. And when x is less than 0, when x is strictly less than 0, mod x is on the upper side, x is on the lower side. So mod x will always be greater than x. So for this function to be defined, x should be negative, strictly negative. That is, the domain is minus infinity comma 0. Minus infinity to 0. So option B is the right answer to this question. Thank you.